Well, what if you could flip a switch and turn off the symptoms of Parkinson's disease? As Ron Charles reports, it's exactly what U.S. researchers say they may well be able to do.
Sonia Matur reads the new scientific study with intense interest. She was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease almost 13 years ago while pregnant with daughter Sarika. It has progressed slowly but relentlessly. The study suggests promising new targets for stopping it.
I think I'm cautiously optimistic, cautiously hopeful about it. I think it does have some promising and good work.
A group of international researchers identified 10 sets of dysfunctional genes in brain tissue samples from people who had Parkinson's. Those genes are involved in the production of cell energy. The little powerhouses are all controlled by one master gene called PGC1-alpha, a sort of master power switch. Scientists now suggest flicking on that switch could be key to a new Parkinson's treatment. Anthony Lang is a specialist in neurodegenerative diseases. He was not involved in the study but finds it encouraging.
And if we find that there are very safe drugs that can get into the brain and upregulate the activity of this PGC1-alpha, then theoretically this might be applicable to patients sooner rather than later.
There are already drugs in the pipeline for type 2 diabetes geared to the same master switch gene. Still, among people with Parkinson's, there is caution.
I'm cautious for a couple of reasons. The first is that we don't really know what causes Parkinson's disease, so this is one of many avenues that's being explored. The second is that even though it does contain a lot of promising and encouraging work, it does take a long time for things to get from the petri dish to the drugstore shelf.
As if to back that up, scientists caution there still needs to be a lot more research in this area. Ron Charles, CBC News, Toronto.